Creatinine is a waste product that's created when your muscles break down. It's usually filtered out of your body by your kidneys, but sometimes they can't keep up with the amount of creatinine that's being produced, leading to high levels in your bloodstream, a condition called creatinine. High creatinine levels can cause all sorts of problems like fatigue, weakness, and loss of appetite. And if left untreated, it can even lead to kidney failure or death. But don't worry, because in today's video, we're going to be sharing 6 superfoods that will help you reduce your creatinine levels fast so you can get back to living your best life in no time. So make sure to watch until the end for some extra tips on how to improve your overall health and well-being. Let's get started. Number 1. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are a powerhouse of nutrition containing magnesium, zinc, and vitamin E. These nutrients help to remove heavy metals from the body, including mercury, which can build up in the kidneys and impair their function. The high concentration of these nutrients in pumpkin seeds helps to bind to heavy metals and eliminate them from the body through urine, thereby reducing creatinine levels. Additionally, pumpkin seeds also contain beta-sitosterol, a natural cholesterol-lowering compound that can help to improve blood flow to the kidneys and reduce inflammation. This compound has been shown to have a positive impact on renal clearance, which is the ability of the kidneys to remove waste products from the body. To incorporate pumpkin seeds into your diet, you can eat them raw or roasted, sprinkle them on salads or yogurt, or use them as an ingredient in homemade trail mix. Eating just 1 ounce of pumpkin seeds daily can help to reduce creatinine levels and improve kidney health. Number 2. Cabbage. Cabbage is a cruciferous vegetable that contains high levels of vitamin C, beta-carotene, and fiber. Vitamin C helps the body absorb and utilize glycine, an amino acid that aids in the removal of creatinine from the body. Beta-carotene, on the other hand, has antioxidant properties that help protect the kidneys from damage caused by high creatinine levels. The fiber content in cabbage also plays an important role in maintaining good kidney health by binding to toxins and waste products and helping them pass through the digestive system more easily. Furthermore, cabbage contains a compound called indole-3-carbinol, which has been shown to help prevent the formation of kidney stones, a common problem for people with high creatinine levels. To enjoy the benefits of cabbage, you can eat it raw in salads, steam it, boil it, or sauté it with a little olive oil. Aim to eat at least 1 serving of cabbage per day, about 1 cup of chopped cabbage, to help reduce creatinine levels and improve kidney health. Number 3. Watermelon. Watermelons are high in lycopene, citrulline, and potassium. Lycopene is a powerful antioxidant that helps fight oxidative stress and inflammation in the body, protecting the kidneys from damage caused by high creatinine levels. Citrulline is an amino acid that helps the body produce arginine, which increases nitric oxide production and improves blood flow to the kidneys. This can help improve kidney function and reduce creatinine levels. Potassium, on the other hand, helps balance out the effects of sodium in the body and reduces the amount of salt that the kidneys need to filter out, making them work more efficiently. Additionally, watermelon is mostly made up of water, which helps to keep the body hydrated and supports the kidneys in their waste removal process. To reap the benefits of watermelon, you can eat it as a snack, add it to smoothies, or use it in salads. Aim to eat about 1 cup of cubed watermelon daily to help reduce creatinine levels and improve kidney health. 4. Blueberries. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants, including anthocyanins, quercetin, and vitamin C. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body, reducing the damage caused by high creatinine levels. Anthocyanins, in particular, have been shown to help improve insulin sensitivity, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of kidney disease. Additionally, blueberries are a good source of fiber, vitamin K, and manganese. The fiber helps maintain healthy blood pressure levels, while vitamin K and manganese play important roles in bone health and metabolism, respectively. To incorporate blueberries into your diet, you can eat them as a snack, add them to smoothies or yogurt, or use them as a topping for oatmeal or pancakes. Eating about 1 cup of blueberries daily can help reduce creatinine levels and improve overall health. Number 5. Salmon. Salmon is a fatty fish that's high in protein and omega-3 fatty acids. Protein provides the body with essential amino acids that help support muscle mass and strength, while omega-3s help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, protecting the kidneys from damage. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that consuming more omega-3s can help improve kidney function and reduce the risk of chronic kidney disease. Salmon is also a good source of vitamin D, selenium, and potassium. Vitamin D helps regulate calcium levels in the body, reducing the risk of kidney stones. Selenium is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect against cell damage, and potassium helps balance out the effects of sodium and maintains healthy blood pressure levels. To enjoy the benefits of salmon, you can bake, grill, or pan-sear it and serve it with a side of brown rice and steamed vegetables. Aim to eat 14 ounces of cooked salmon per serving to help reduce creatinine levels and improve kidney health. And last but not least, number 6, garlic. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which has been shown to have a number of health benefits, including reducing inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. This can help protect the kidneys from damage caused by high creatinine levels. Allicin also has antibacterial and antiviral properties, which can help boost the immune system and prevent infections that could further strain the kidneys. Additionally, garlic is a good source of several essential nutrients, including manganese, vitamin C, and B vitamins. Manganese helps maintain healthy blood sugar levels, while vitamin C and B vitamins play important roles in energy production and metabolism. To incorporate garlic into your diet, you can add it to soups and stews, toss it into stir-fries, or use it to flavor grilled meats and vegetables. For the best health benefits, aim to eat 1 to 2 cloves of garlic daily. Thank you for watching today's video. We hope you've learned about the 6 superfoods that can help reduce creatinine levels and improve kidney health. Remember to consult with your doctor before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Stay healthy and take care.